Hello, how are you all? Welcome to the Digital Life YouTube channel. I am Anjali Srivastav. As you know about Reliance Industries JioPhone Next, which you have been listening for a long time, we are going to give you information about its attractive features, quality, and its value. Although it is not available in the market yet, but we are also going to tell you about the day it is going to be launched in the market. As you know, at the 44th annual general meeting of Reliance Industries, Chairman Mukesh Ambani has announced JioPhone Next, a new smartphone made in partnership with Reliance Jio and Google.
Last year, Sundar and I talked about the Google and Jio co-developing a next generation feature-rich but extremely affordable smartphone.
This new smartphone has been made keeping in mind the pocket of the common man, so that it can be reached to every man. It is going to be very cheap and affordable. Although no official announcement has been made about the price of the phone yet, but according to the leaked report, its price is expected to be around 2500 to rupees 3000. Although with this, Reliance Industries will launch this best smartphone on 10th of September on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. According to Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, this smartphone will be the cheapest smartphone not only in India but in the whole world. Let us now have a look at its attractive features one by one.
JioPhone Next. JioPhone Next is a fully featured smartphone supporting the entire suite of applications from both Google and Jio, and as well as the Android Play Store, through which users will have access to the entire universe of Android apps. JioPhone Next is powered by an extremely optimized version of the Android operating system that has been jointly developed by Jio and Google, specially for the Indian market.
So, users on JioPhone Next smartphone can also download apps from Google Play Store. The fully featured smartphone will also get the best camera and Android updates. This is the first mobile device to come with Android OS. In this Android-based smartphone, you will get the facility of 4G network. It is expected that this will be the cheapest 4G network phone in India. You will also get the best camera features and all Android updates in this phone. Many great features have been provided in the phone like voice assistance, automatic read aloud of screen text, language translation. Fingerprint sensor is also given on the back panel of the phone. You will get this phone in black color. Optimized version of Android will be available in the phone. The new JioPhone Next smartphone will come with an optimized version of Google's Android operating system. Google has prepared a new optimized Android version according to the limited hardware capability. The JioPhone Next smartphone can be given a single camera with LED flash on the rear and a selfie camera on the front. Features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and dual SIM will be available in the phone. Support for regular Android updates is also available in this phone. Google has also promised users to provide the latest Android features and security updates. For clear photos and better videos in low light in the JioPhone, the team of Google and Jio has partnered with the intention of providing an optimized experience. The display size of the phone is expected to be around 5 or 5.5 inch in the color display. Night mode will also be available with the camera. The physical buttons in the phone will be available only for power and volume. So in this way, the biggest feature with one-to-one feature in JioPhone Next is going to be the cheapest 4G smartphone mobile in the world. If you like our video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will be right here to give you more useful information in our next videos. Thank you.